Top court backs Bihar voter survey. That's the big news coming in. This is from the Supreme Court. Supreme Court has said documents required from the elector in SIR are 11 compared to 7. Considered in summary revision of electoral roll shows it is voter friendly. So after the top court had agreed to what the Election Commission had said, remember yesterday, that the Aadhaar card cannot be the absolute proof of citizenship. There are other documents needed for validation. Now the top court has also gone ahead to back the voter survey. The opposition continues to protest, especially over the SIR exercise. I want to quickly quote from what the Supreme Court has said. Documents required from the elector in the SIR exercise are 11 compared to 7, considered in the summary revision of rolls. Therefore, it's voter friendly. I want to immediately bring in our legal editor, Nalini Sharma, on this to help understand this more. Nalini, go ahead. How do we say this is backing the survey? What has the court said? And how is this significant?
Well, Pooja, as we know, the SIR hearing has been underway in the Supreme Court. Yesterday, the petitioners had argued, and today also they're continuing their arguments. This particular observation that we are breaking was made by Justice Bagchi during the hearing, and what he is referring to is the fact that the Election Commission, what they have done is that they have increased the number of documents that can be accepted by the Election Commission. So Justice Bagchi, in that reference, has gone ahead and said that the Election Commission are expanding the number of documents regarding identity. They understand the exclusionary arguments that are being made by the petitioners, but at the same time they say that the expansion of documents, which went up from earlier the 7 documents that were allowed, has now gone up to 11 documents that were allowed. This in fact makes SIR process voter friendly. In fact, they go ahead and say that an argument was made whether enumeration form can be made in a contradiction to a statutory form, but if the enumeration form takes within its fold the statutory form, will it be a violation or will it actually be more inclusive? So that's one of the main observations that has come in from the Supreme Court during the course of the hearing today, where the Supreme Court has lauded the fact that the number of identity documents that are accepted by the Election Commission have been increased from 7 to 10. And even though there are some arguments that are being made by the petitioners claiming how there are certain voters that are being excluded on the basis of the fact that they are not able to give their valid documents, but that has not been accepted by the court. Remember, this is only an oral observation. The hearing is still underway. We're still waiting for both the ECI and the central government to also place their arguments in this matter. That's going to be an interesting aspect to watch out for. But for now, the Supreme Court's made a very important observation where they've said that in certain ways, the SIR exercise is in fact voter friendly.